watching Nama channel.
Okay, now we see zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial in the sense we have to apply the instead of x 0. For example, that expression it contain the answer it would be 0. For example, first one, find the value of each of the following polynomial at the indicated value of variables. So here p of x equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 1. So we have to substitute instead of x 1 and we have to find out the value for p of 1. Solution. So p of x equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Here x equal to 1. So p of 1 which is equal to 5 into 1 whole square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. Here 5, this should be in multiplication. So 1 square we get 1. So 5 into 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 7. So 5 minus 3 plus 7. So 5 minus 3 we get 2 plus 7. So p of 1 equal to 9. So we have to substitute instead of x, we get the value of this p of x equal to 9. As the same way, here the variable is y. Instead of y, we have to substitute 2. Solution. P of y equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11. Here we substitute y equal to 2. Instead of y, we have to substitute 2. So p of 1, p of 2, which is equal to, instead of y only we substitute 2. So 3, instead of y we put 2 whole cube minus 4 into 2 plus root 11. So 2 cube. So 2 cube already you know that in powers and exponents. So 2 cube in the sense you have to multiple 2 in thrice. So 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. So 3 into 8 minus 4 into 2 plus root 11. So 24 minus 8 plus root 11. So 24 minus 8, these are a whole number and this is a rational number. So because of that 24 minus 8, 16. So we can't add 16 and 11 here itself. So value of p of 2 equal to 16 plus root 11. So the next question, next move on to the third question. So third question here the variable is t. So p of t equal to 4 t power 4 plus 5 t power 3 minus t square plus t at t equal to a. So here in this expression all the variables are t. So as usual method we have to find out the value. So p of t equal to 4 t power 4 minus 5 t cube minus t square plus t. Here you don't need to consider about any degree is missing. For example, power 4, power 3 is not there. The sense you don't need to bother about that. Just you have to substitute whatever the expression we have. Instead of that variable, you have to substitute the given values. Here t equal to a. So the value P of A equal to is nothing but 4 into A whole power 4 minus 5A whole power 3 minus A whole power 2 plus A. So P of A equal to A, you can multiply with 4, it becomes 4A power 4 minus 5A cube minus A square plus A. So instead of T, the whole expression it turns under the variable A. Next we move on to example 3. We see example 3. Check whether minus 2 and plus 2 are zeros of polynomial x plus 2. So let P of x equal to x plus 2. So now we check minus 2 and plus 2 are zeros of polynomial P of x. So take x equal to minus 2. Take x equal to plus 2. So first P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 2. So P of minus 2 equal to 0. As the same, P of 2 equal to 2 plus 2. So P of 2 equal to 4. That one not equal to 0. So whether we have to substitute instead of any variable, it become that the polynomial P of x becomes 0. We take it as that is the zeros of the polynomial. Here I substitute minus 2, we get 0, but plus 2 we get 4. That is not equal to 0. So we conclude therefore minus 2 is zeros of a polynomial x plus 2 and 2 is not a zeros of polynomial x plus 2. So we substitute minus 2, we get 0, but we substitute plus 2, we get 4. So minus 2 is only the zeros of polynomial. Next we move on to example number 4. Find the zeros of the polynomial P of x equal to 2x plus 1. So solution, P of x equal to 2x plus 1. To find zeros of polynomial. To find the zeros of polynomial, P of x equal to 0. So P of x which is equal to 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is zeros of polynomial P of x. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is zeros of the polynomial P of x. So we have to find the zeros of polynomial, that is nothing but the value P of x become 0. So because of that P of x equal to 0, 2x plus 1, here plus 1 become minus 1. So it's in multiplication, it becomes division. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Just you verify. Since verification. So P of minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That means minus 2 by 2 plus 1. 2 cancel, we get minus 1 plus 1. So P of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. We substitute instead of x minus 1 by 2, we get 0. So minus 1 by 2 is zeros of polynomial P of x. Next we move on to example 5. Example 5. Verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of polynomial x square minus 2x. Solution. So we have to verify 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial. So let P of x equal to x square minus 2x. We have to verify 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial. So take x equal to 2. Take x equal to 0. So P of 2 equal to 2 whole square minus 2 into 2. So 2 whole square, that means 2 2s are 4 minus 2 2s are 4. So 2 square in the sense we have to multiple 2 into twice. So 2 square, 2 into 2. 2 into 2 like that. So 4. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 minus 4, P of 2 equal to 0. Here P of 0 equal to 0 whole square minus 2 into 0. So we have to multiple how many times zeros? We get 0 only. So 0 minus we have to multiple any number with 0, we get 0. So 2 into 0, 0. You have to add, you have to subtract 0 with 0, you get 0. So P of 0 is equal to 0. The value we substitute instead of x 2, we get 0. The value substitute instead of x 0, we get 0. Therefore, minus 2 and 0 are the zeros of given polynomial. X square minus 2x. So we get 0 in 2 values. We substitute 2 and 0. We get the final value 0. So we have to check whether verified. So minus 2 and 0 are the zeros of given polynomial x square minus 2x. Next we move on to exercise 2.2. First term and find the values of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. So first we have to see the first question. Solution. Already they given P of x equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So you have to change this one in order, or there is no problem for that. So directly we substitute x equal to 0. So P of 0 equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 whole square plus 3, which is equal to 0. You multiple 0 with anything, we get 0. Minus 4 into 0 plus 3. Here 0 minus 0 plus 3. So 0 minus 0 we get 0. So finally we get P of 0 equal to 3. So the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3, we substitute instead of x, we substitute 0, we get the value 3. As the same way, we have to substitute instead of x, we have to substitute minus 1. Solution. So P of x as it is same, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So x equal to minus 1. So P of minus 1. Instead of x, we substitute minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3. Here it can be written in the form 5 into minus 1 minus this one minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 square it can be written as minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. So 4 into plus 1 plus 3. So plus into minus minus 5. 4 ones are 4 minus 4 plus 3. Here minus 4 minus 5 minus 4. So minus 9. So in identities symbol is same, we have to add. So minus 5 and minus 4. We take minus 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3. Here different symbol is there. So 9 is the greater one. We put minus. So you have to subtract. So 9 minus 3, 6. So P of minus 1, we get minus 6. So third question, do it as a homework. And next we move on to Roman letter 2. Now we see second Roman. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for the each of the following polynomials. Here different polynomial is there, but we have to find out, you substitute instead of the variable 0, 1 and 2. So I take first question and fourth question. I will do it here, and then second question, third question, you do it as a homework. So solution. P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. So instead of y, we have to substitute 0, 1 and 2. So first I find out P of 0. So directly I substitute here 0 whole square minus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 0. You can multiple how many times 0? You get 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 1, So P of 0 which is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So the value of P of 0 which is equal to 1. And next we substitute P of 2. So 2 whole square minus 2 plus 1. So 2 whole square, in the sense 2 can be multiple twice. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 plus 1. So P of 2 which is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So the value of P of 2 is 3. Next we substitute P of 1. So it alternate P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2, or P of 2, P of 1, whatever it is, there is no problem for that. So next, 1 square minus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, it becomes 0. So P of 1 which is equal to 1. So the polynomial P of y equal to y square minus y plus 1, instead of y we substitute 0, 1 and 2. We substitute 0, we get answer 1. We substitute 1, answer is 1. We substitute 2, answer is 3. The same way we move on to the fourth question. Solution. Here simple trick is there. P of x equal to x minus 1 and then x plus 1. It's in the form a minus b into a plus b. It can be written in the form a square minus b square. That means P of x equal to x square minus 1. 1 square as it is 1, x square minus 1. Now we substitute 0, 1 and 2. So first we substitute 0. We get 0 square minus 1. So 0 minus 1. So P of 0 equal to minus 1. As it is, next we substitute P of 1. 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1. So P of 1 equal to 0. And next we substitute 2. So P of 2 equal to 2 square minus 1. So 2 square in the sense has 2 can be multiplied twice, 4. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1. P of 2 equal to 3. So now we get 3 different of values. We substitute instead of the variable x, 0, 1 and 2. First we substitute 0, we get minus 1. Next we substitute 1, we get 0. And next we substitute 2, we get 3. So second sum and third sum details account. How?
Thank you for watching AHA நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ அடிக்கடி பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.